Hi everyone, today we are going to make Andhra special Punugulu with idli batter and no baking soda. The ingredients required are 3 cups idli batter, 1 spoon salt, water, 3 spoons rice flour, 5 spoons maida. You can check out the link of idli batter recipe in the description of this video. Add maida to idli batter. Add rice flour. Add salt. Mix well and add water. Consistency should be like this. Rest it for 15 minutes. Fry after oil has heated. Stir after 5 minutes. Take out after golden brown. Ta-da! The yummy and crispy punugulu are ready. These are fluffy in the inside and crispy on the outside. You can serve it with coconut chutney or tomato chutney. You can check out the link of tomato chutney recipe in the description of this video.